Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, today we're going to do a review on the Fanttik X8 APEX 150 pound max air compressor. Now, Fanttik sent me this to do a review. In exchange, I keep the product. All right, now in the box is another box, which is your hose. In a little bag, you got your another filler for different kind of tires on this, and you got your ball filler, you got your charger, and in there is also your air compressor. Now, in this air compressor, you just turn that on, hold it for 2 seconds, and everything turns on. The numbers are all squiggly. We're going to go inside and talk about that in a second. But yeah, real handy dandy little unit, I'll tell you right there. And we're going to turn that off. Now, these two boxes here, these are sold separately from the unit. They sent me these also. Now, this is a case for the Apex, and you just throw that in there like that. And then right in behind here, you've got a place for all your attachments. Your hose goes in here. Now this here is a attachment for air tools, okay? Nailers, so on and so forth, right? You can hook that on there and you put your nailers in there, and we're gonna get into that in a second. But yeah, nice hard little case here. Okay, so you want to turn this unit on, and you just hold the middle button for 2 seconds, and you got this. Okay, so you got your battery indicator here. You've got a readout here. You've got pounds per square inch here. And this you can adjust for different stuff, okay? So if you go up or down, you can adjust that, okay? Now, if you push this button here, it's a little circle on here, and it'll go car, motorcycle, bicycle, basketball or volleyball. And then you've got a whatever you want, kind of a custom deal up to 100 pounds. If you want to run and we're going to get into that in a second, let's say a nailer or something like that, you can do that. Okay, then it goes back to the original part. Okay, so it comes preset with 36 pounds, which is usually a tire or something like that for a vehicle. All right, so if you want to turn it off, you just hit that and hold it on, and there you go. Now on the top, you've got another thing. It's right here. It's a flashlight. Okay, so if you hit that, there you got a flashlight. Hit it again, and it flashes, kind of for emergencies. Okay, and then you hit that off, and then it goes off. Okay, so there you go. Now on the back, you've got your C adapter to USB for charging, and then you've got another one here. It says out 5 volt 2A. So what this is you can charge your phone. You can use it for any kind of USB backup as a battery backup, and yeah, really cool idea. So yeah, it's amazing. But anyway, let's get into using it and go from there. Okay, so now when you want to get using it, you just take your hose and you turn it into this here, and off you go. Turn it in until it's tight, and don't over tighten it. It's good enough there. Okay, we got all our stuff in the case, and let's go out and give her a try. Okay, we're gonna give this a shot. Now I've got the Fanttik out, and I've got it set on the custom setting, and right now it's showing 100 pounds. I'm going to bring that down to 90 pounds. Okay, because that's where I want my nail to go in. Now, my gun has got 1 3/8 nails in it, so we're going to see how they pound in, okay? Let's see how this works. I got my attachments on, and let's put your gun in, and there we go. Now, got to remember to turn this on. All right, no, load it up to 94 pounds, okay? Okay, now you can see how that indented that perfectly. Just set it in there about 1/16 or 1/8 of an inch, not an eighth, but yeah, so it's perfectly setting those in there at 90 pounds, okay? Now, what another thing is your air, right? So you can take your air like that, and you can put it on there. And you can do little bursts of air like that, okay? All right, so there's another thing you can do. Okay, so I've got a ball here now, and it needs some air. So all I do is set that on the amount or custom setting that I want. Okay, so we're gonna go to volleyball or whatever. It's set to 8 pounds. Now we throw that in there like that. Hit start. And if it gets to whatever you want, you can just shut it off manually if you want. Other than that, you're going to get 8 pounds. That seems a little bit much for this ball, so I shut it off. Okay? Got yourself a ball, all set up, ready to go for the beach. Okay, we're going to fill up a bike tire now with our Fanttik, and you just find a custom setting on here. So I'm going to go to bike. Right there, it's got a bicycle, and it says 45 pounds. That's too much for me. I'm going to go down to about 20. So we're going to bring that down to about 20. If you hold on to this, it goes really fast. Oh, it only goes to 30. Okay, so I'm going to go to custom now, and custom gives me that, and I'm going to go down to 20. So there we go to 20, and you just hold that and keep going. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's 20 pounds. We're going to put that on 20. Okay, so you just slap this onto your oh, I got to put this down for a second. So on here there's an end. Okay, so now this end turns. You see that? So you don't have to turn the hose itself. But this is pretty cool right here, because then you can just put that on there like that and turn it on, and then you don't have to, you know, turn the hose and the whole air compressor and everything. Okay, all right, ready? Turn it on. And it stops automatically right at 20 pounds. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. Awesome machine, man. All right, another cool thing you can do with the Fanttik X8 is charge your phone. Okay, I've got the unit shut off. Now I've got my C to USB charger hooked to the phone. It's not charging right now. I think you can see it. And it's 55%. Okay, now we're not going to charge it forever, but I'm just going to show you that it does work. Now you've got it plugged in, turn it on, and boom, see charging. Look at that. It says right there. So that will charge for as long as you need to charge, or as long as this battery life is good, you're good to go. All right, you guys, this thing's amazing, man. I'll tell you, it's an all-around unit. The X8 is, you can take it anywhere you want, mountains, beach, on a trip, wherever you always got a charger, you always got air if you need it, you know, your car, your motorcycle, volleyballs, basketballs, custom setting for air tools. You got your air chuck when you buy it separately. You got your case when you buy it separately. So all that stuff, all combined, makes a nice unit, and all goes together. Throw it in your car, and you've got it all the time. But all in all, great package, man. All right, you guys, there's links in the description for all this stuff, the case, the air chuck, the unit itself, the X8. You know, check out my playlist. Maybe there's products in there that I've done reviews on, and you need a review on how it works or what it's all about. But take care.